Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. In stock market, the people say stock market can take positive things, stock market can take negative things, but it cannot take uncertainty. As long as there is uncertainty, the volatility index shoots up, the premium shoots up on both the sides. So that's a big headache for option writers. So what happened today morning? This Operation Sindhur, one uncertainty is gone. So that is really something good for the markets. Though markets, there was some knee-jerk reaction, then, shot up, So finally, Nifty is still in consolidation mode. And I've been telling you for the last 1 week or 10 days, the Nifty, the range is 24,000 to 24,800. So in fact, it is exactly trading at the midpoint. And so sometimes it goes up, then it comes down, again goes up. But for the kind of news that we had, today it is okay. One good thing is that uncertainty is over. But one bad thing is that still the volatility index is high. It's hovering around 19. I thought today, after this news, the volatility index will fall, but it's not falling. So probably now the market is expecting Pakistan to do some kind of retaliation. So maybe that fear is there. So once that fear is out, then the volatility index may start falling. Globally, things are looking good. Today, I think China also cut some interest rates. China is on the negotiation table with US for tariff. US markets are also, they went continuously higher for about 9 trading sessions. Then there was 1 or 2 trading sessions, some profit booking. Today, the markets, is likely to be jittery because of the Fed meeting. The Fed announcement will be coming around 11:30 p.m. today. But by knowing Jerome Powell, so it's going to be a non-event. He's not likely to cut the rates. But however, he might talk a little bit dovishly after the meeting by saying that, as long as this Trump tariff is not, is settled amicably, he can expect to reduce the rate. And still, people expect 4 rate cuts over a period of next 6 to 7 months. So that is actually something good. So the globally things are looking good. And then we had one uncertainty for the last 1 or 2 weeks. So that is India's retaliation. So that has already happened. So there is a limited retaliation. So India's fighter jets did not go into Pakistan. So it was like, only through the missiles and drones, attack was done. So my guess is that, the Indo-Pak tension is not going to rise. So it's going to subside from now onwards. So that's what everybody is expecting. So that's good for both the countries also. So the terrorists have attacked and the India has retaliated. So tit for tat is over. However, the India must do something to, to bring those terrorists into justice. So that's a different story. So as far as the stock market is concerned, good thing is that uncertainty is over. The volatility index will take some time to subside. So as long as Nifty is trading between 24,000 to 24,800, so it's going to be a long consolidation. So who knows? April month was a very, very huge volatile, a 2,000 point fall and then again 2,300, 400 point rise. But so far, the last 2 weeks, and tomorrow is the completion of the second week in May series. For the last 2 weeks, it is just under consolidation. So that is actually good for option writers. However, the volatility index is high. The option premiums are very, very lucrative. And look, today Nifty closed around 24,400, right? 23,000 put option. which is 1400 point away, still trading around 5 rupees for tomorrow's expiry. So option premiums are really very good. And at the same time, as I told you, do not take any medium-term view. Number one, market has been consolidating for the last 2 weeks. Either it has to break out or break down. So, that is a time, it's better to keep very short-term bets instead of taking a longer-term bets. So, anyway, as long as Nifty is not breaking 24,000, so it is time to be having some positive bias in the market. FII data still not out. I'm sure, the way the markets reacted, so I'm sure there will not be any big negative numbers from FII side. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. Tonight, everybody will be watching the Fed event. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.